If you're looking for some great bookstores to check out in Japan, visit Miraiya Shoten. It's a famous bookstore with lots of branches all over the country. I visited one branch inside Aeon Mall in Sena and Osaka, and I was amazed. Although most of their books are in Japanese, you can also find lots of English books in different genres. They have options for both kids and adults and even sell learning materials such as flashcards, board games, and more. If you're a foreigner studying Japanese, Miraiya Shoten also has great textbooks and exercise books available with different translations such as English, Korean, Vietnamese, and Chinese. What I love most about this bookstore is their reading space. They're not so strict about their books. You can grab one and use the reading space to check out the book first or even read all of the pages. Also, they don't just sell books. They have lots of colorful school supplies too. Other materials available are magazines and anime books. I hope you find the one you need.